Hi, everyone. This is Marian Apostol, registered craniosacral therapist with YDOV Craniosacral. And today I want to talk about biodynamic craniosacral therapy. What is biodynamic craniosacral therapy? What is a session like? What condition can benefit from biodynamic craniosacral therapy? And what is the value of BCST, biodynamic craniosacral therapy, and how can you reach out to experience a session with me? Yeah, so to start biodynamic craniosacral therapy, in short, BCST, it is a gentle, light touch, non-invasive approach modality that helps restore and maintain health in the whole human body. So it is a holistic approach. We don't regard the body, or we don't treat it as a pieces and bites, but we orient to the body as a whole, and not only the body as a structure, but also the body as a function, and also beyond that, the energetic and soul-like aspect of the body. So we go through an extensive training of usually it's 2 years training in one of the accredited organization. And during this training, we learn to orient to all the aspects of human organisms, body, mind, soul, and even spirit. And we are trained to facilitate, to help patients to resolve various conditions resulting from stress, overwhelm, injury, and any kind of traumatic events, basically. Right? The craniosacral system is something that it's a term that was coined by Dr. William Garner Sutherland, and an osteopathic doctor that treated patients with this holistic approach at the end of 19th century, beginning of 20th century. So craniosacral system is a part of the physical body that extends from the cranium down to the sacrum, to the tailbone. So this is an orientation place for us, biodynamic craniosacral therapists, to facilitate the balance of the nervous system, and this place in the body, or I should say part of the body, that it's in direct relationship with every other system in the body. So in the biodynamic approach to craniosacral system, we don't orient to pieces of this part of the body, or vertebrae, or neurons, or neural fibers, or anything like that, including organs that are controlled by the autonomous nervous system, but we orient it as a whole piece of integrated piece in the whole body, mind, soul system. So as you can see, this approach is totally holistic, and like I said before, encompasses everything that it's comes in a relationship with this craniosacral system, right? So we also orient to the fluid and energetic pieces of the puzzle. which are all involved in the naturally maintaining and supporting our mental and emotional well-being. So, how is a session of biodynamic craniosacral session? The session is usually around an hour and 15 minutes. And during this session, you rest on a comfortable table, fully clothed, and in a very comfortable position, usually supine, which means face up. And the practitioner is trained to create a calm and supporting environment. And one of the guiding principles, if not the most important guiding principles for a session, is that the body is always moving towards health. What does it mean? It means that no matter what life conditions are or traumatic events that we may have suffered, the body is always working to maintain, to contain those conditions so we can actually function to a certain extent. So our job, so to speak, as a biodynamic practitioner is to listen to any compensatory patterns that may be present and to assist, to facilitate the body in accessing its own healing capacities. What kind of conditions can benefit from BCST? Pretty much everything, but there are conditions that can be more affected, so to speak, by the biodynamic treatment, and some others less affected. But as I said before, this approach is holistic, so everything, it's connected to everything, which means the body will respond to the biodynamic treatments as a whole. And during the session, the therapist will facilitate, like I said, the environment, so the body can return to a natural state of ease, of wholeness, of health. And it also supports the body to remember how to orient to the health no matter what happens in the life, to that health that is never lost in the body. BCST is a very gentle, very safe, very calming approach, which makes it effective for people of all ages. So we treat anyone from newborns to elderly people, and many clients find it that really supports the relief of symptoms associated with a wide variety of health conditions. Chronic pain, birth trauma, injuries of any kind, pretty much anything you can name it. Because, like I said before, this is a holistic approach to health and promotes expression of health in all the body systems, in all aspects of your life. The value of BCST, well, because health means physical vitality, emotional well-being, a sense of purpose, and a capacity to enjoy life. Biodynamic sessions they basically are the gateway to achieve this kind of health, a holistic health, something that the body can always use. And the strength of the biodynamics lies in its ability to access your natural vitality. So, as Dr. A.T. Stills, the founder of osteopathic approach, said, it's very easy for everybody to find disease. It's harder to find health. So no matter what, we always orient to the health that is always present in the body. And of course, the autonomic nervous system, which governs the whole body function, almost everything in the body is governed by the autonomous nervous system. It's a key focus of BCST approach. And by facilitating the balance of the nervous system, the body, mind will heal much easier from injury, illness, or any other life challenges. A balanced nervous system is a healthy nervous system, and it's a first step towards reducing inflammation, reducing the stress levels, bringing about that sense of calm and purpose, and which you can carry on in your day-to-day life. And by supporting the nervous system regulation, BCST also supports the immune system to function much more efficiently and intelligently. So as you can see, there's like numerous benefits to BCST, which means everybody is encouraged to come and experience a session with myself. Please reach out to my email address, which is marian.bcst@gmail.com, which is marian.bcst@gmail.com. And you can also visit my website, which is www.whitedoveTherapeutics.com, whitedoveTherapeutics.com, which is the place that you can actually book a session from or gain more information about BCST. And you can also subscribe to my newsletter. So please feel free to reach out for any questions and concerns, and I'm looking forward to see you soon. Thank you.